How to make collage on iPhone. To make collage on iPhone, first of all go ahead and open the Pictorinter application on your phone. Once you're in, you will see an interface like this. From here, you need to select the pictures to make collage. You can also choose the style of the collage from the bottom panel. Once you're satisfied with the style, tap on it. And hit the next button at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll need to pinch to recenter images. And drag to swap images. Make adjustments to the images according to your requirements. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this download icon at the bottom panel. There you go, you have successfully saved the collage in your phone. Now, minimize the application. And open photos from your home screen. As you can see, the collage is ready to be shared. By following these simple steps, you can easily make collage on iPhone.